The challenges we face in life don't end when the session does. They live in the waves we ride, the ground beneath our feet, and the moments that test who we are becoming. At Mindswell Therapy, we believe healing and growth happen through connection, movement, and nature. Whether it's walking a coastal path, paddling out before sunrise, finding stillness on the green, or sitting together in conversation, every space we create invites reflection, movement, and presence. Our work blends evidence-based psychotherapy with the freedom of nature and the power of mindful movement. It's where clinical practice meets lived experience, where therapy feels less like a room and more like life itself. We guide, we listen, we move with you. Not to promise outcomes, but to offer pathways to clarity, confidence, and calm for individuals and communities ready to reconnect with themselves, with others, and with the world around them. Through nature, movement, and connection, we invite you to come and talk with us. Whoever you are, however you arrive, you are welcome.